take a piss. Ay, we done fuck the legs and fuck the fists. Ay.
That was steaming hot. Did you hear that?
Well, let's hope nobody strikes a match.
Yeah, let's hope so. Oh, you didn't want that?
Did you see me pick it up?
Well, I thought you wanted it.
That's what you get for thinking and you ain't used to.
Yeah, that's true. Do you want this one first?
I wish you just go where I leave it alone is what I want.
Oh man, I'm just trying to be friendly. See, pal.
I love them.
That's you right there.
How old are you? I was just wondering. Right by us? Thank you.
You're welcome.
Great manners.
That's all you need in Addie.
Yeah, they do.
There's no telling. There's no telling where it is.
So I think she thinks I'm screwed.
Well, it was her, so I don't.
We used to have a cigarette house that had, it was like a big old tip or not the table in it.
Here we go. Oh. Sorry.
He must
I put inside my blood, my sweat and tears. Do this shit all on my own, don't need no deal. Diamonds flawless round my neck, give me a chill.